guys, here's Madam OK. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being a part of it. If you enjoy watching the videos, please don't forget to subscribe as well as to hit the like button. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye! Hello guys, here's Madam OK. Today I want to invite you on the adventure of painting the trees using watercolors as well as very diluted acrylic paint. We also can use markers if such need will be happening. And let us start. So I'm moving everything on the sides and I will start with watercolors. I have to make sure that I will use quite warm colors. So I will a little bit spread of this color, but not evenly. I don't want to have an even paint application, so my color is quite light. You can use yellow ochre or oxide yellow. You can also, if you don't have it, you can use a little bit of yellow, and that will be okay too. Or any color that you want. I just decided that this color will look really fantastic as a kind of backdrop for my trees. See, nice, perfect. Okay, and maybe even here. Oh my goodness, I got another color. How did it happen? Well, we have to live with that what we have. Fantastic. Okay, so we have such a beautiful backdrop for our painting. The next step will be to make the trees. And for my trees, I really want to use a smaller brush. And for that purpose, I will use this one here, pointed brush. And with the yellow, I will create some trees in the backdrop. You can, if you think that is better, you can draw them first, but I prefer to paint right away. So you see a little bit, remember, trunk is always thicker, especially on the bottom, than the branches, right? So that will be my tree. Notice the paint is still wet, therefore, some of the strokes can be a little bit less sharp, I would say, right? There will be another branch here, like this. And we should have lots of fun doing it, like this. Another branch coming here, another one here, and so on. Fantastic. A little bit heavier. Good. Okay. I don't need to have too much water right now. See, there will be another tree coming in the back here. I don't want to have boring painting. I need to have layering of colors. So this tree has to be a little bit thicker. I don't want to have a heavy paint application. I just want that my paint will be a little bit more heavy, not heavier, it's just more precisely applied, right? Like this. Having lots of fun. That is very important that we have fun. See, moving like a grouping of the leaves. Just emphasize some of those branches a little bit more. Maybe another one will come here on the side. This is good, but I like to have another one here, another one there. See, just with the edge of my brush. Having those trees, I need now to move to another color, and I will move to the blue. My beautiful blue tree will come, I think, on the top here. I want this tree to come here. You see? Oh, I don't want that it was peeled too much, that's for sure. I mix my green color with some white because I don't want to have it really dark, and I also want to make it more opaque. And opaque, that means when I put it on the top of the paper, the color will be better covering the surface and you will not see anything through. So that's my goal. I use a little bit of water, but just a little bit. Then I'm going with my trunk. So the trunk that I want to have an elongated one, really be crossing the edges of my paper. It's thicker. Very, so I can have one branch coming here. Really a big tree. Wow. I have to break this space. I don't like what's going on here, so in the second I will do it. But right now I want to break the foliage. And the foliage has to have a little bit more white so that I'm able to create the marks that will stay the way I want them to stay. Because this gives me more opacity. I want to see through the beautiful yellow ochre color. So I see whatever I apply, I can make grouping here a little bit stronger. See, but then I want to have also those lighter colors. I will place some of them in this space. Yeah, overlapping each other in some places. Almost ask for another branch here, which would be here. That's good, and then maybe a little bit stronger here. And some of those. Fantastic. So now we need another tree. We still can have it in the back somewhere behind this tree. So what it will have, we'll have this tree coming there in the back, like this, a little bit there. Let's see, I still want to have it a little bit more even. I think that will look better when we just spread it like this, without those strokes visible. Oh wow, look at this tree. That's much better, you see? So we wanted to spread it a little bit more. So we have those beautiful colors, but at the same time, we don't want this tree to be really dark, because we will have a dark color coming on the top. And then we will come to the other tree. I already painted them partially. I use a little bit of white mixed with black. I don't want to have a pure black. And then we will apply with a little bit of water. We will work on our trees. So I want to make a different kind of trees. I have to really watch that the lines will be not thick, like this. Good. A little bit more of the branches coming from one branch. This is still not dry from the other color, with the other color from underneath. Here, I definitely need to make the branch thicker, just there where they divide. And then I can have my skinnier branches going here, on different heights. This time just dots. A little bit more of the grouping, especially on the top. I think I want to have more of them, and then definitely coming here to create some of those leaves overlapping the big branches, because that's what will happen in the nature. This, and I think I like to have a purple maybe as well. We decide later on. So in those groupings I have a little bit greater accumulation in some parts, less in some other parts. See, like this. Maybe still a little bit more over there. See, I'll spread it a little bit more here, because I didn't like this part, what was happening to it. Right away I have opportunity to fix whatever is not working for me. So coming here, coming there, and having fun with this. Then you can put lighter tones. Okay, we don't need to have the same all over. Wow. And then here. Maybe I will place some of those leaves as well as coming here. Like this would be nice to have another maybe branch. Or maybe not, maybe it's enough here to have it. Right, maybe another one here coming. Have to create a leaf. And then I will come with some other ones. See, for the balance I have it here. But I need to have the leaf here, another one there, another one there. Look at this. And then certainly in the back with lots of water. See, I still think that I can come back to my beautiful color on the top and introduce more of the of those leaves here coming, or maybe even a darker tree, maybe a brown one. Wow, let's see. I think that would be a good idea. So I'm coming here with a tree in the back, but it doesn't need to be a big tree, just the indication that something can happen there, that this can also be covered with some of my leaves. And I want this tree coming there. See, I think it would be good to have another tree coming in the back. Or maybe even on the top we can push it. Who knows? Maybe, but I like it in the back. I like the color as the backdrop. And I have the last color that I want to use. There where I think the color will do well, I will apply a little bit more yellow to brighten the colors and make the painting more happy. See, like here. That is already addition. See, just in some places, only in some places, to make the painting really happy. Like this, and for sure in this section here. And then this paint I want to still smudge a little bit, because I think will be better. And then I think I want to just put some white here and there. Okay, so it's very rich painting. And then with some white, I will just go on the top and just put some of those dots here and there. So you see, to make it more interesting, just for us. So it's lots of action going on, right? That's what we want. Look at this. And then some water here, because I like to spread some things here and there. See, even more here. Fantastic. So we are done with the painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. Oh, I still think that this is not looking so good. So the one thing, the extra additional one I want to do is to apply a little bit of the darker patches. See here, because this is just playing there, but underneath I'm having some of the branches coming just like this. And then some of those branches. Fantastic. Maybe a little bit more as well as for the balance here. I hope that you enjoyed the process working with me, and now we are ready to work on your own. Have a good day. Bye.